Whether it's for the convenience of a cord-free workspace or because an off-grid grinding job is on the docket, cordless angle grinders are capable of the task. These tools contain heavy-duty batteries that power high-speed motors, spin grinding wheels, or cut metal stock to length. However, grinding is hard work, and only the best cordless angle grinders are really able to get the job done. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best cordless angle grinders you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Craftsman V20 Angle Grinder. For light grinding jobs, check out the Craftsman V20 Cordless Angle Grinder. This model features a comfortable grip with a protected D-type handle for safety. It has a brushed motor that spins 4.5-inch discs up to 8,500 revolutions per minute, which is enough power for most light-duty applications. The Craftsman Angle Grinder features a thumb-activated safety switch and large paddle shifter for comfort and safety. This cordless angle grinder doesn't come with a battery, but it utilizes Craftsman's V20 battery lineup, allowing Craftsman tool owners to utilize their current batteries and save money. Number 4. Porter Cable 20-volt Max Angle Grinder. This is equipped with a powerful motor capable of putting out 8,500 RPM. While such a speed rating does put it in the same ballpark as the Milwaukee 2780-20 above, it doesn't have as much torque and might bite a little more when trying to cut thick metal plates. However, when it comes to grinding, it will do just fine. Wheel replacement is carried out easily via a spindle lock, and internals are evenly balanced for a comfortable feel that won't put too much strain on your wrist while working. Meanwhile, the handle can be set in 3 different positions for better grip no matter the kind of work you intend to tackle. I personally appreciate the handle guard preventing you from hitting your hands when the grinder bites in and kicks. However, it's important to mention that the casing is not as sturdy as others, and, given the much cheaper price tag, you can't expect it to last as long or be as light as Milwaukee models, for example. Number 3. Ridgid 18-volt Octane Cordless Angle Grinder. DIYers, pros, and metalworkers looking for a grinder with lots of speed may want to consider this Ridgid cordless angle grinder. It uses the brand's 18-volt batteries to power its brushless motor, which spins 4.5-inch discs at up to 10,000 revolutions per minute for high-speed cutting and grinding. While it's a tool-only purchase, those invested in the line may save money on the kit. This high-speed angle grinder offers safety and comfort. It has a tool-less adjustable blade guard as well as a 3-position handle. The rubber grip helps reduce vibration, which is important in such a high-speed tool. It also features a lock-off safety that prevents the tool from activating if the switch is in the on position when a battery is inserted. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Pad. If you expect the superpower of a corded angle grinder inside a portable one, Milwaukee 2780-20 should be on the number 1 position on your shortlist. This tool promises to deliver 2x runtime and 10x longer motor life, thanks to its 2 red lithium XC 5.0 batteries and a power state brushless motor. This system maintains an ideal environment to boost your performance, extend the engine's lifetime usage while protecting you from common accidents like wheel breakage or kickback. This Milwaukee angle grinder also revolutionizes the way you change your accessories, thanks to its 100% tool-free design. Instead of following many steps that take much effort, now you can change accessories or adjust the guard in a few seconds without using special tools like a wrench. Number 1. DeWalt 20-volt Max Angle Grinder Toolkit. Those searching for a high-end, powerful grinder with all the bells and whistles may want to check out DeWalt's 20-volt Max Angle Grinder Toolkit. This model features a brushless motor with speeds that adjust up to 9,000 revolutions per minute. It comes with a charger and 2 6.0 amp-hour batteries for plenty of runtime as well as a 2-position handle. While this model is powerful, it's also quite safe. It features a 2-stage trigger to prevent accidental activation as well as a tool-less blade guard. It has a kickback brake that shuts down the grinder if it kicks or pinches, along with an electric brake to stop the blade when the trigger is released. The grip is rubber molded, helping to reduce vibration and provide more control. However, it's quite expensive. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.